Dear all, welcome to the playlist of Basic Science. In this session, I'll be discussing most important chemistry questions. Before explaining the session, I wanted to introduce my channel. In my channel, there are different playlists. Those who are preparing for various competitive examinations such as RRB, UPSC, SSC, and dental examination. All the things are available in my channel. First of all, I request you to go through individual playlist and give me the valuable suggestion for the improvement. Finally, let us start the particular session. You can able to see different questions related to chemistry. First of all, kindly note down the right answer. Q1, then question number 2. Check. Hello everyone. Welcome to the playlist of Basic Science. In this session, I'll be discussing most important chemistry questions. In my channel, you can able to see the different videos which are related to various competitive examination. Those who are preparing for RRB, then SSC, UPSC, then LDC, LGS, and dental examination. This channel will be really helpful. I need to know the valuable feedback from your end. So kindly give me the valuable feedback for the improvement. Dear all, welcome to the playlist of Basic Science. In this session, I'll be discussing most important chemistry MCQ. First of all, you can go through the different questions related to the chemistry MCQ and kindly note down the right answer. Before that, I would like to inform you that in my channel, there are different playlists such as general knowledge, current affairs, dental examination, etc. I request you to go through the individual playlist and give me the valuable feedback. Those who are really preparing for competitive examination, kindly share with them and encourage. And you can answer the particular questions in a particular rough book. And whenever I'm going to explain, you can able to verify. So better you can pause the video and you can able to note down the appropriate answer, your own answer. Later you can able to verify. Altogether, 8 questions are there. Let me know how much you are going to score. Let us discuss one by one. I am going to discuss about the first question. Substance used to reduce body temperature. Antibiotic, antipyretic, antacid, sulfur drugs. So the right answer is option B, antipyretic. You know the paracetamol, that is one example of antipyretic. Question number 2, alternatives of antibody. Sulfur drugs, antipyretic, antacid, and saccharin. The right answer is, which is the right answer? I have to go for option A, sulfur drugs. Okay, so please verify the right answer and note down in your particular which is useful for the competitive examination, which you are preparing for competitive examination. Substances which is neutralize the excess of acid, which is the right answer. Just identify. The right answer is antacids. Then fatty acid salts of sodium and potassium are known as fertilizer, detergent, soap, DDT. Which is the correct answer? Obviously, the right answer is soap. Then question number 5. The fatty acid plus sodium hydroxide gives soap plus dash. Which is the correct answer? So identify. These kind of questions can be expected. Fatty acid plus sodium hydroxide gives soap and glycerol. I have to go for option C. Then question number 6, sodium salt of long chain sulfonic acid is known as, which is the right answer? I have to go for detergents. Then question number 7, process of making soap by hydrolysis of fats and oil with alkalis. Fermentation, saponification, neutralization, none of this. Which is the best answer? Just identify. The right answer is saponification. I have to go for option B. Okay. Let us discuss the last question. Hope you are verifying the answer. Example of alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which is the correct answer? DDT, soap, detergent, antacids. Detergents are known as alkyl hydrogen sulfate. I should go for option C. So these are the 8 important questions related to the basic science. Hopefully session will be useful. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share this video to whomever preparing for competitive examination seriously. Thanks again.